Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is feel. Here is a picture of a woman feeling some cold snow. Here's feel in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Feel means be aware of a person or object through touching or being touched. Feel. Past progressive was feeling, past felt, present progressive feeling, present feel, future will feel. Let's build a sentence. I feel. Today, we will use the present tense. Let's build a sentence. I feel, How? How do I feel? I feel cold. Let's build a sentence. I feel cold. Why? When? When do I feel cold? I feel cold this morning. When? Let's build a sentence. I feel cold this morning. Why? Why do I feel cold? I feel cold this morning because it's winter. Let's build a sentence. I feel cold this morning because it's winter. Where? Where is it winter? I feel cold this morning because it's winter in Korea. Let's build a sentence. I feel cold this morning because it's winter in Korea. Why? Why else? And I forgot my jacket. I feel cold this morning because it's winter in Korea and I forgot my jacket. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.